Researching a new topic usually means 20 browser tabs and way too much time. NotebookLM's Discover Sources feature fixes that. It finds and summarizes sources for you in seconds. Let me show you. First, open a notebook. New or existing doesn't matter. This is where all your sources are going to live. In the Sources panel, you'll see two options: Add Source, and right below it, Discover Sources. That second one is what we want today. Now, just describe what you want to learn. The more specific, the better results you'll get. I'll type Benefits of Intermittent Fasting. Below it, you have two buttons. Make sure Web Search is selected and Fast Search. Then hit the arrow. Give it a few seconds. It's scanning hundreds of pages in the background. And here we go, up to 10 sources, each with a quick summary telling you exactly why it matches your topic. This part's important. Skim these summaries and uncheck anything that looks off topic or low quality, since it's still AI picking these for you. Once you've picked the good ones, click Import, and just like that, they're added straight into your notebook. Now you can chat with these sources, ask NotebookLM to summarize them, generate an FAQ, or even turn them into an audio overview. It's basically instant research done for you. That's it. That's how you research any topic fast with Discover Sources. Try it on your next project and let me know what you find.